to sign in or log into Limbus Company on Steam PC. 1. Install Steam. Download and install Steam on your PC. Complete the installation process. Launch the Steam client. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. 2. Sign in to your Steam account. Open Steam. Enter your Steam username and password. Complete Steam Guard verification if prompted. Successfully log into Steam. 3. Download and install Limbus Company. Open the Steam store. Search for Limbus Company. Click Play Game or Install. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Nudge for 4. Launch Limbus Company. Open your Steam library. Select Limbus Company. Click Play. Wait for the game to load. 5. Accept terms and permissions. Read the terms of service if prompted. Accept the agreement. Continue to the login screen. Wait for account verification. 6. Select Login Method. On the login screen, choose the available sign-in option. If the game supports Steam login, select it. Continue to authentication. 7. Complete account authentication. Follow any on-screen instructions. Allow Steam account verification. Wait for the login process to complete. Proceed to the game lobby. 8. Restart Steam if login fails. Exit Limbus Company. Close Steam completely. Restart Steam as administrator. Launch the game again. Attempt login once more. 9. Verify game files. Open Steam library, right-click Limbus Company, select Properties, open installed files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Launch the game after verification. 10. Check server status and internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Disable VPN services temporarily. Restart your router if needed. Try signing in again. Wait if the game servers are undergoing maintenance. Bonus fix. Synchronize your system clock. Open Settings, Time and Language, enable Set Time automatically. Click Sync now. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes cause login and authentication issues. These steps will help you successfully sign in and log in to Limbus Company on Steam PC, while also resolving common login, authentication, and connection problems.